The reason why I decided to go with a foot switch for the drill press is it gives you a lot more control while on the drill press. Usually what I'd have to do is, if I'm holding the piece there, I'd have to come up here, switch the drill press on, hold the piece, so I cross my arms over, whereas now I can hold the piece down, start the drill press, send it down, or if I've left a mark in there, punch mark, I can get it into the punch mark without having to release my hand and start it straight on there. Makes everything a lot easier. So the reason why I put the foot switch on my disc grinder is because when you're wanting to flatten things off, if you're just pressing the button, it's already turning, and sometimes as you go in, it's not always going to hit flat. Whereas now I can set it flat with light pressure, not really forcing it on. And it gets it nice and flat. That way you're not taking any of the edges, scuffing any other bits. Got a lot more control. I'd like to thank Josh Scott for this idea. I'll link him in the description at Josh Scott Knives on Instagram, and the Knifetalk Podcast, they were talking about it as well. It does make things a lot easier, especially on the disc grinder, which I don't really use it that often, but now I'm going to start gluing on some of my sandpaper to the disc and flattening off probably blades and things like that with it. With the drill press, I find it makes it a lot easier to control what you're drilling. The electrics for yours might not be the same as mine. All I did was I put the neutrals together and then made the switch in between the lives. It all depends on what foot switch you get and what switch you've got on your drill press or on your disc grinder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. It was, I don't know, fuck off, I'm getting that again. This isn't my idea, no, fuck off. Just got in the description, that fucking makes no sense. That's pretty much where I got, no, fuck off, that makes no fucking sense either. Thank you for watching. No, fuck off that shit. He's on the corners off things and fuck off. Got this idea from, I said idea about 1,000 fucking times, prick.